How to disable screen lock in Zangi. Do you use Zangi for your secure messaging but find yourself constantly entering a PIN or using your fingerprint just to open the app? It's a great security feature, but sometimes, especially in the private device, you might want a quicker access. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the screen lock feature in the Zangi app. Let's dive in. Okay, so first things first, open up your Zangi app on your phone. Once you're inside it, you will be directly taken to the chat section, and this is exactly how your chat section look like. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this gear icon or setting icon in bottom right corner. Tap on it and go to the settings section. Now under the settings section, you will see an option called privacy, which is right over here. Tap on it. And over there you will see an option called Passcode Lock and fingerprint. Simply tap on it, and for the security reason you will be asked to enter your passcode over here. Enter it. And now we are inside the Passcode Lock and fingerprint, and there you can see an option called Turn Passcode Lock Off. Simply tap on it. After that, a confirmation message will pop up which says, "Are you sure you want to turn off your lock password?" Simply tap on OK, and it's gone. Now you can close and reopen Zangi. It should be open directly without asking for the PIN or a fingerprint. Just a quick note on security. Disabling the screen lock means anyone who picks up your unlocked phone can access your Zangi conversation. So make sure this is what you want based on your device security and privacy needs. And that's all there is to it. Disabling the screen lock in Zangi is pretty straightforward once you know how to look in the setting. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.